Hello and welcome to this new course, in which you'll learn how to make Android app with zero experience using MIT App Inventor. This is Educational Engineering Team. We are a leading team in microcontroller industry with over than 10 years of experience in teaching and doing practical projects. A team of skilled engineers seeking to deliver high-quality engineering content, including courses, articles, lessons, and online support for all of engineering students from all around the world, under the name of Educational Engineering Team. We also work as freelancer engineers, helping many students in their graduation projects and give many courses about engineering topics. We are also a board member of Microsoft.NET Club, and we founded unveil team, a team that makes workshops and courses with reduced cost to help students understand and develop their skills. We have on Udemy here more than 30,000 students, 50 courses, and 677 review. Our courses talk about microcontroller, PCB design, circuit design, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and a lot of other interesting topics. If you wish to join any of our courses, just drop us a message with the name of the course and we can help you join, or you can check the bonus section at the end of this course to get discounted coupons. Now, let's see what we will take in this course. First, you will be introduced to App Inventor, what is it, and how to set up App Inventor. After that, we will talk about App Inventor programming. It's not really programming, it's like block coding. We will talk about it. You don't need to have any experience in programming to do it. Next, we will talk about components and properties and calling built-in function blocks. Then we will take a project or two to demonstrate what we did learn in the first sections. Then we'll have a Q&A to help you improve your performance in developing Android apps. You can also use it to develop iOS apps. The same app will work for both, but in this lesson we will talk about, or in this course, we will talk about Android apps. That's it for now. See you next. This is Educational Engineering Team.